Stan Cullivis with Levaero Aviation, and I'm very excited to show you this beautiful Embraer Legacy 450 we have for sale. Let's take a closer look.
Serial number 6 is a beautiful 2016 Embraer Legacy 450. It is a one-owner aircraft that has always been professionally flown, managed and maintained, and comes with significant upgrades. The flat floor, 6-foot tall, 24-foot long stand-up cabin is configured for 9 passengers, with 6 plush, upgraded executive seats, of which 2 are fully berthable, a 2-place forward divan on the right-hand side, as well as a belted seat in the vacuum lavatory certified for taxi, takeoff, and landing. The carpet is stylish with silk inlays, and upgraded stone floors are present in the galley as well as the lavatory. Trims and finishings are upgraded with premium selections, and the environmental HEPA filter makes this aircraft a safe and clean mode of transportation. The pocket door between the cabin and cockpit make this a very quiet cabin experience. The executive and slimline tables in the cabin make working or enjoying a meal on your trip a productive and comfortable experience. Staying in touch while traveling is never an issue, as you have use of the Iridium satellite phone and Swift broadband high-speed data for all of your connectivity needs. Plus, audio and video capability with 2 monitors included, accessible through the enhanced cabin management system. The forward galley is complete with an espresso machine and drawers with ample storage, making your long trips as comfortable as possible. Designed for reduced workload, shorter checklists, and paperless operations, this state-of-the-art flight deck is equipped with Rockwell Collins ProLine Fusion avionics, including fly-by-wire side-stick controls, 4 large LCD screens, and windshields for increased visibility. The aircraft is extremely well optioned and is fully ADS-B compliant, has CPDLC functionality, a synthetic vision system, surface management system, flight data recorder, cockpit voice recorder, to name a few. The external baggage area is very spacious and has room for all of your ski gear, road bikes, or luggage for a long family vacation. It also comes with a servicing and baggage compartment ladder, making loading and unloading a breeze. The aircraft also comes equipped with a life raft, increased 115 cubic foot capacity oxygen cylinder, and a 110 minutes cargo fire suppression system. The engines and APU are on MSP programs, so peace of mind and cost predictability are present for the buyer. Maintenance is fully tracked in camp. The Legacy 450 has a range of just over 2,900 nautical miles, high-speed cruise of 462 knots, and a takeoff distance of just over 3,900 feet at sea level, all while being able to operate at 45,000 feet, giving you a smooth flight en route to your destination. This Legacy 450 is unique as it also has a reservation for a Praetor 500 upgrade, improving the performance and range of the aircraft even further. For more information about this aircraft, including a 3D tour or to book a viewing, email sales@levaero.com or click the link on your screen to be taken to a page with additional photos and videos.